and today I'm back with another video. Gotta fix my hair because that's what I'm selling. Okay, sorry guys, so gotta fix my hair because that's what I'm selling. But anyway, this will be my third time filming this video. Don't even mind what's back there because we're gonna dive into that later. But I'm gonna hurry up because this camera is tripping, memory card is tripping. So first thing we're gonna get into is what I got from. Oh, I recorded all this already twice, so that's why all this stuff is open. I'm still trying to show you guys my new inventory. So yeah, so well, this has been open for a minute. I got this a minute ago, so let me not lie about that one. So I ordered thank you cards from Vistaprint. I got a lot of them. My camera battery's about to die. Why? Okay, I got a lot of them. Oh, let me just continue from where I was. So these are the cards. Say thank you on them. But one thing my mom said was that they don't have my Instagram, they don't have my website on them. Like, they're literally just a thank you card. But I need to go look at Fashion Nova or something to see if they have that on their thank you card. I'm sure they do. But the back is white and the front just has a picture of me wearing the hair, of course, and a picture of my first photo shoot that I did. So yeah, and I got a lot of these. I'll probably make a video on how you can get these with Vistaprint. These were cheap. I got 500. I don't know how. I know I paid like $20 for 500 cards, and I designed this myself. But they do have a lot of options and stuff. So yeah, that can help. That can be good for your business if you want to, you know, add little things, cards, business cards and stuff like that to your shipments, or when you're handing out your goods or whatever. So yeah, I got that from Vistaprint. The next thing on my list, can you guys guess what it is? Guess what it is? This is something I'm adding to the website because summer is coming up, you know. Even though we're inside, summer is still coming up. And so guess what I decided to get? Hope y'all don't see my address. Guess what I decided to get? Guess what I decided to get? Comment and guess. But I decided to get some shades. These are the sunglasses. I call these Ari's because I saw Ari have them on first. And Ari's a bad. So I ordered over 30 of them, and they like stuffed them in this box. This is crazy. They did the same thing with my hair. I don't know how they be stuffing. I don't know how they stuff all this stuff in here, but I ordered over 30 of them. This is what I have left. And I just got these the day before yesterday. So, I mean, I think that's a good amount of time to, you know, have sold almost half of my, yeah, almost half. Almost half. So, here's what they look like. Here's one already open. They come like this. You know, you have your beige glasses. Got these glasses. Make sure you shop. Of course, I will link my website below. And yeah, so the next thing I got was this from Amazon. I got 100 of these to put my bundles in because I was getting them made with custom and my knitting. These satin things. Allie Pearl just sent me something to review, that's why I have this. But I was getting these satin things. Make sure you watch out for that video. But I was getting these satin things with my name on it and bags from the same person. And like, I paid almost 2 weeks ago. And then they want, so I'm asking like, okay, are you going to ship it out before your holiday? Because they're about to have a weekend little holiday. And they're talking about some no. And then that they need an extra 10 days after that. Nope, give me my money back. Stop playing with me. So I had to hurry up and order these because that's just extra inconsiderate, and like I paid almost 2 weeks ago, and you told me the max is 10 days. So like, what's the, and then you're telling me after the holiday you need another 10 days. You just never started on my order. But yeah, that actually pissed me off. So I had to get these. They can fit 3 bundles, and they can fit, you know, if someone's just to order sunglasses, they could fit in there. So yeah, I ordered 100 of those. I will link the specific ones, and this was the size that I was getting my custom bags in, so I just typed that in on Amazon so that I could get the same bags. So yeah, and last but of course, last but not least, okay, last but not least, we have, if I have to do this video again, I'm just not gonna do it. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. We have the bundles. I love hair so much. So I ordered a lot of stuff. I ordered 18 through 32. Right now my 32s are very popular in Italian wavy, which is what I am wearing. But this is like combed out state. So basically what I wear is what sells, like what sells the most. If I post, this was a new texture, so I post myself wearing 32 inches Italian wavy, that's what people are going to buy, and that's what skyrockets on my website the most. So anything I want to, anytime I want to drop anything, like all I have to do is wear it, and you know that's what people are going to want to buy, honestly. So the next texture that I'm going to try to promote is loose wave, because all the girls done got the Italian wave. So we're on the loose wave tip next. So yeah, so what's skyrocketing right now on my website is 32-inch Italian wave. Everybody is buying that, and I love it because they see it on me and they be like, okay, that's cute, and they want to get it. So I have all this hair, like, and I tried to put it back in the box for y'all. Like, they really, I don't know how they stuff this stuff, but they are trying to save on shipping, I'm telling you, because they be stuffing. No, because they stuff. So basically, let's show you guys some textures. Here we have a 32-inch body wave. $32-inch body wave. Look at that. So my vendor does this for me. Puts that on there, but I also have, you know, I also have all of that just in case. You know, because, you know, just in case, because sometimes they be tripping, don't add stuff. But here is 32-inch body wave. I'm about to install my 32-inch straight, so I can offer 32 through 40 also, but I don't, because people don't be trying to spend that much money, and I feel like this is a special occasion. But I will add it to my site just in case, because no harm. But that's probably not something that I will have on hand for people to come and pick up. And I have 5x5 closures now that I'm gonna add to the site. And I want to show you guys how thin and transparent my frontals are. Like, super thin, stretchy. Like, this is how you want. If your frontal can't do that, you don't want it. You don't want it. If your frontal cannot stretch like that, you don't want it. Super thin and transparent. As you can see me through it. So yeah, if your frontals, always do that to your frontals. High quality frontals will be thin and stretchy. So make sure y'all go purchase those on my website as well. So yeah. And I'm just going to show you guys all the textures I have. I ordered 18 through 32. But, you know, people really order 26 through 32. But I got 26 to 30 is my most inventory. So, yeah. Y'all don't want to see short bundles. That's boring. So, I'm about to show you the 30-inch straight. I'm messing these bundles up. This is my 30-inch straight. Very silky, soft, and full. Like, my bundles are not thin for it to be this long. I wish I could. And then the hair don't stink. Like, literally does not stink. I usually order wig. Well, I do have another shipping coming in. But that has a whole bunch of wigs, but all of those are already sold because I have posted a list of what I got. So most of them are already sold, and it's a few more bundles in that. So I'll probably do another video on that just so y'all can see. My camera's about to die again. Hopefully I'm gonna show you one more bundle. I don't want to. And now is Italian wavy. This is what I have in my head. This is just the new version. This is the combed out version. I just combed it out. I want it to be kind of big. I like the wet look too, but it's cute. It's still cute when it's dry. So this is how it looks. This is 26 inches. Comes like this. I'm trying to hurry up. I'm gonna show y'all loose wave. I'm hurrying up because my camera's about to die. I'll show y'all loose wave. If I can get it open. But this is the next texture that I'm gonna promote because I want people to buy it. So this is the next texture. It's very similar. Honestly, these two textures are very similar. I think this one's just looser. Look at that. Look at that. Period. I'm hurrying up, but I want to see if there's anything that I missed that I did not tell y'all. Okay, and then deep wave. I ordered over, I think, 100 bundles, but this shipment only had about, I think it says 61 pieces on there. This is my 18. Okay, so this is the deep wave. I like opening up hair like that. This is way more curly. I will probably insert client pictures in there just so y'all can see. But yeah, guys, that's it for this video. I will probably be showing a video of how I organize all my stuff, how I pack shipments again, because you know I did rebrand. I was She Collections, but now I'm VC Label Hair. So yeah, make sure you guys shop. I want y'all to look at all this. Like, we love hair. We love it. But start that business. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Any questions, just comment down below and I'll answer them. I'll probably link where I got everything, even my vendor down below. Just playing. Just playing, but I'll link where I got the bags and the Vistaprint link down below so that you guys can, you know, do what you do for your own business. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all later.